Step 7. Operate the breaker. Position the breaker in an area suitable for testing. Operate the breaker observing the reading on the pressure gauge. The needle on the gauge will be bouncing between two pressure readings. Use the average of these two readings. If the pressure is correct for the breaker, no other adjustments are required. If the pressure reading is too high or too low, adjustments to the machine flow or valve adjuster may be required. If the pressure reading is too low, not on the higher end of the pressure range, try to increase the flow from the carrier. If you're unable to increase the flow from the carrier, the valve adjuster on the breaker will need to be turned clockwise in quarter-turn increments to increase the internal operating pressure of the breaker. If the pressure reading is higher than the max operating pressure of the breaker, then reduce the flow from the carrier until the reading on the gauge is accurate. The breaker will perform best with the flow and pressure at the maximum the breaker is designed for.